Welcome back. Thank you for taking the time to watch these important videos, which we hope will help clarify some misinformation about the closing of the Burdett Birth Center at Samaritan Hospital in Troy.
It has been said that the closure of Burdett breaks a promise that St. Peter's Health Partners made in 2020 when it applied for approval to merge Burdett back into Samaritan Hospital. It's important to state that there are no broken promises. The fact is,
Burdett was not able to pay its debts and would have involuntarily closed in 2020 had St. Peter's Health Partners not stepped in and taken action. In 2019 and 2020, the New York State Department of Health was poised to deny Burdett's application to renew its license because Burdett was failing financially. We sought the merger of Burdett back into Samaritan in order to preserve maternity services in Troy. This was a lifeline, and only a lifeline, when no one else was willing to do so. We did not promise to keep maternity services open indefinitely and regardless of circumstances, and any suggestion that we made such a promise is simply not true.
it's also been said that we gave no advance notice of our intent to close maternity services at Samaritan Hospital, and it completely blindsided the community. The fact is, there was always going to be a first time for people to hear about the intended closure.
We communicated our intent to various stakeholders on June 13, 2023. This was consistent with instructions given to us by the New York State Department of Health. It was also more than 2 months before the planned submission of the closure plan to the department. This was the advance notice.
Another misleading statement is that this is really all about making profits.
Break even means no money to fix crumbling infrastructure, no money to replace or fix obsolete equipment, and no money for acquiring new cutting-edge technologies and facilities. We must have a financial margin on our services in order to support our mission in service to the community. This is not about profit. It is about preserving our ability to carry out our mission for the long term. I appreciate your time and invite you to follow the link on the screen and in this post to view answers to many of your questions to date. Thank you and be well.